Hi, good morning. My name is Juan Carlos Mendez, stage 6, 177, 3 December 2022. First, a brief of the proposed innovation. For the proposed innovation for the organization, what has been seen through should the courts is taken in account. Why this with is conclude that the software will we implemented the allow the organization's logics design to be measured, and since this will be key to measure keep of measuring to keep the process takes rules expected waiting times or the order. Second, how are you protecting the EP generals from the proposed innovation? A contact was in this bad both parties where the protection will be for 6 months, and this will allow it to be identified and key so that neither party breaking the contract. Number third, how are you evaluation the proposal? The tourist strategy is very good. It's cool having be set to other companies and the initiative another source of income. Fourth, under which comments are you going to commercial the value proportions under the legal and regulatory standards by Colombian law? Thank you very much. Bye.